Hey everyone, and welcome back to my channel. Today I have another budget tech unboxing and review for you all. Today I have the Kracken gaming headset from RAZER. Now, I'm not really a big fan of RAZER, mostly because a lot of their products are green and overpriced, but this one did catch my eye because it's actually not in green. The gaming headset can be used for both PC and consoles, and it comes in a black and blue color scheme, and so I just had to get it. So stay a while, listen, and let's get started. In the box contains the audio and mic splitter extension, an activation code, the instruction manual, and the headset itself. The headset is fairly light, not too much weight with this one. The top is made of a faux-like leather and has the RAZER logo in all black shiny letters. It's a good contrast from the matte black of this material. Turning it to the left, we have the RAZER logo in all blue, with the outside material for the headphone being a type of wire mesh or honeycomb design made of bauxite aluminum, which is why this product is super light. The ear cushions are oversized and super soft. The left side also has the retractable microphone. Turning it to the right is pretty much the same. You have the blue RAZER logo and the honeycomb design. Now turning it over, we can see the matte black finish of the headphones, the headphone cable, and again the retractable microphone. All others can be extended out, however, it's not as flexible as the other headsets that I've tried. Here we have the built-in volume control and the on-off talk button, which I feel is a great addition to this product. Next we have the audio mic splitter cable. Now if you wanted to use the mic, you need to plug in the headphones to the female port here and the other end into your PC. The cables are super long, so you have enough clearance to use. I would say it's roughly about 10 feet altogether. One thing that makes this headset stand out is how perfectly stitched the blue accent is to the headset. I didn't see any frays or any loose threads. It is a good contrast to the matte black, and it is subtle as well. Now, a couple of things that I really liked about this headset. One is that it is super lightweight and comfortable to wear. I didn't have any ear aches or minor headaches while testing this out. The headphones actually go over your ear and covers it entirely. A feature of this that it has is the 7.1 surround sound already built in, and there's no need to switch it on and off. Also, the 7.1 surround sound actually sounds pretty good on this headset. Although it is a simulated surround sound, it's not as bad as some of the other cheaper headsets that I've tried that also have this option. Secondly, the sound is pretty good. It does have a deep bass and the treble is super clear, but not too much so that it will hurt your ears. Playing Call of Duty with this, I really liked hearing the explosions come through this headset as the bass just emphasizes it really well. The instructions talk about the 7.1 surround sound with its positional audio, and while it was a little hard to hear at times, to hear footsteps or gunfire in a certain direction, I was able to fix this just by messing with the sound settings on my PC. Another thing to note with this though is that since I'm going to be using this primarily for my Series X, I did note that the positional audio didn't sound as clear as it did when I was using this on my PC. Again, on the PC, you do have a lot of options on messing with the sound. However, on consoles, you don't really have much options there, so just keep that in mind. Lastly, what I really do like about this is that it has a built-in volume control. Since I'm going to be using this for my Series X, I don't need to manually adjust the volume in the game I'm playing or in the settings itself, and can just do this on the fly. Now, for a couple of things that I didn't really like about this headset. One of them is the cable. It might seem kind of minor, but compared to my other headphones for PC and consoles, their cables are a lot thicker and more rigid than this one is. I believe this headset cable may be the first I've had with a fragile looking or fragile feeling cable. I do feel like over time and with continued usage, the cables inside may fray and cause this to stop working. I've never experienced this before, but it's just something that I noticed. Another thing is the microphone. I know that gaming headsets don't really have good microphones and are mostly, just passable. This one, unfortunately, is kind of the same. The voice audio is low and sounds far away, and you really need to put the microphone near your mouth for it to pick up loudly and clearly. It is passable, but since I'm not going to use this for voice chat, it's not a non-issue for me. All in all, I would say that this is a good gaming headset for the price. This is currently going for $44.99 on Amazon. However, when I originally got it, it was going for $39.99. Now again, I'm only using this headset for my Series X console and it works and sounds perfectly. This product can be used for PC as well, but my primary purpose is for console gaming. Alright everybody, thank you so much for watching my unboxing and review. If you like what you saw, consider leaving a like or a comment or even subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you all in the next one.